Is your Wi-Fi fast near the router but dead slow in your bedroom or balcony? Don't upgrade your internet yet. Today, I'll show you how to fix that using the TP-Link RE515X Wi-Fi 6 range extender step by step. Welcome to Devices Setup, and today I'll show you two easy ways to set up the TP-Link RE515X AX1500 Wi-Fi 6 extender. The first method is browser setup and the second is WPS setup. And even if you are using another TP-Link extender model, these steps will still work for you. Plus, I'll share a pro tip at the end to get the best possible speed and performance from this extender. So make sure to watch till the end. Before we start, first make sure your router is already set up and working properly. Now plug the RE515X extender into a power outlet near your router, ideally within 5 to 10 feet. Wait about 1 minute so the extender can fully power on. Next, take your phone, laptop or tablet, go to the Wi-Fi settings and look for a network called TP-Link _extender. Tap on it to connect. Once connected, open any browser and type either tplinkrepeater.net or 192.168.0.254. Then press enter. Both will take you to the setup page. Now select the Wi-Fi network you want to extend, which is your main router's SSID. Important thing to note here is that if your router supports EasyMesh or OneMesh and your extender also supports it, which this RE515X does, I highly recommend setting it up in EasyMesh mode. This creates one single Wi-Fi network with one SSID, so you don't have to manually switch between router and extender networks. Your device will automatically connect to whichever signal is strongest. I have linked a detailed video in the description explaining what EasyMesh is, EasyMesh versus OneMesh, and how to set it up. Make sure to check that out. Now enter your router's Wi-Fi password. You will do this for both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz band. By default, the extender will use the same network name as your routers with -ext added at the end. You can keep it as is or customize it here. Next, save the settings. The extender will now reboot, which takes about 1 minute. After that, you will see the new Wi-Fi network in your list. Finally, click Finish Setup. You can now relocate the extender to a better location. Before moving it, I'd strongly recommend watching the video linked in the description that explains the most common placement mistakes people make. Once placed correctly, connect your devices and enjoy better Wi-Fi coverage. Before we move to the second setup method, quick reminder, this is a Wi-Fi 6 extender. TP-Link also has Wi-Fi 7 extenders, so before buying your next upgrade, it's important to understand the difference. I have made a dedicated video explaining Wi-Fi 6 versus Wi-Fi 7, which one is best for apartments, houses, and large homes. That video is linked in the description as well. Now, let's look at the WPS method. So, plug the extender near your router and wait until it fully powers on. Press the WPS button on the extender. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on your router. Here are some common WPS symbols you might see on your routers. Within about 60 seconds, the extender will automatically connect to your router. Once connected, the extender's network will appear in your Wi-Fi list. If WPS doesn't work, it's likely the WPS is disabled on your router. I have linked a video in the description showing how to enable WPS. Now, time for a pro tip. I promise. On the TP-Link RE515X, you will find an option called Access Point Mode. If you can use an Ethernet cable, I highly recommend switching to Access Point Mode. This can dramatically improve speed and stability compared to wireless extender mode. I have linked a video showing real-world speed differences. Definitely watch that too. And lastly, if you are looking for more smart home and networking gadgets, I have added links in the description 2 products I personally recommend. Some of these are affiliate links, which means I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. It really helps support the channel. And if you still have questions about the Tplink RE515X, drop a comment below and I'll help you out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, have a blessed day.